Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the fascinating world of automation using Java's robot class. Have you ever wondered how you can simulate keyboard and mouse actions using Java? You know, now you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into the capabilities of the Java robot class and demonstrate a practical example by automating speed test on our website. Now here you can see I have 10fastfingers.com. Okay, so what is Java robot? What is Java robot? The Java robot class is a part of the Java AWT package that allows you to generate native system input events for controlling the mouse and the keyboard. It also provides a way to automate tasks by simulating user interaction with the computer, making it a powerful tool for various automation scenarios. So here want to so this is the robot. This is a sample of the robot that we create for us, our class, our code that we run it. And now this, in this code, we will we'll invoke no, there is an error, there is an exception, but no big deal. No big deal. So the objective of this video, so our goal is to showcase how the Java robot can be utilized to automate typing on a typing speed test website. Then we'll walk through the process of setting up a Java program that uses a robot class to interact with the web browser, opening a speed test website, simulating typing in the input field. So the key steps, it's we've seen introduction. We have seen what a Java robot can do. Like for instance, when I've run that this code, you've seen what it can do. It can automate, it can simulate typing. You can increase the speed. That's a good thing of it. You can slow down. Yeah, so let's get started. And I hope, let me see if I have a clipboard. Yeah, so this is the code. So it's JavaFX class application. So we're extending the application. This is the robot, an instance of the robot. Then this is the main class, the main method. Sorry. So we have already in the start method. Then I've named it connection tester. That's just the name. Then we have a button. So in this button, we just click. Then we read from a file. So that file, now everything that in it to be typed. So once we open the file, if it is not now, so the program will sleep for 2 seconds. Then now our robot, we call our robot. Then it will read from text. There is a method called read from text. Read from file rather, and this read from file to take it takes the file as the parameter. Then it gets all the content of the file. Then once it returns it to a string. And now this string is what we will type using a robot, and there's a method called type string. So for this, of course, there can be some special characters like at, quote. So we are making use. We can add as many special characters. And for the speed, I have really increased it. So let me just make use of. For now, let me start by making use of 100 milliseconds. Let me save it. Okay, let me try to run it. Of course, now you can see the button. So what I want to do, I want us to simulate we want it to type for us, and we go to this website. So we want it to type for us this thing. So what I'll do, I'll come here. I have a text file that has saved this, a text file that has this story just the way as it is. So this is a sleeping lion. So a sleeping lion, once I open it, then I put my cursor there, and now we can see it typing, and it's typing really fast, as you can see. Yeah, so we can increase the speed. So that's the robot class. What it can do, if you have, for instance, if you are running, you are planning to have a demo of what something can be done, and you can simulate those processes, the steps, the keyboard events, what you place after this, what you place, you wait for a certain number of seconds. Yeah, so let's see what our speed, our result will be, and I think so far we are doing good. Yeah, I think we can beat the best person, the best typesetter. Imemaliza. Good. So what's our speed? Our score is 878. Average time is 1. Accuracy is 100%, of course. Average worldwide, it's 92 words per minute. Ours is 122 words per minute. Okay, so let's increase the speed. So let us increase the speed. Let us increase the speed now. I will increase it to go to my code, and I will increase it to 1 microsecond. 1 microsecond. That's very, very, very fast. That's very fast. In fact, it will take at most 5 seconds to typeset everything. So the Nick will beat the best person. It's done. We took 3 seconds, yeah, and now you are the best. Now we are the best with 20,000 the score time 3 seconds words per minute. Hey, 2,843 words per minute. That's very fast. That's very fast. So you can see how you can make use of the robot. This is just a simple example. You can automate some tasks with it. Maybe once you open your PC, there's what you do. You go check something. For instance, I had this code. Is it browser opener? Is it connection tester? this code that I use it to test my internet speed. So once I just run it, just open the browser and it runs the speed test. And another yeah. Okay, I think that's a good example. It's a good example. You can just misplaced that code. I had a code that had a number of functions to do. To can open my router. Can open the router. Like for instance, this one. This one was to automate my code, my another program. Was automate a program. So let me run the program. Alright, as the program runs, let me get this and make sure that they are started so that you cannot have a problem. And see it. So 18 are started. Alright, they are started port 2222. So I can run now my program. Let's see. Yeah, so what it does, it opens. This is just doing it. It's automating. I'm not doing anything. Of course, there's a there would be a problem somewhere. And that's not a big deal. Yeah. Can search a question. Can view a file. The next thing is can view my profile. Can use a profile. This like this one. If you are in a presentation can make use of this robot. Now you can just be making you can just be explaining what's going on. So for instance, now I've just run the code, and it handles it showcase the functionalities provided by that application. Yeah, I think that's good. Have a good and blessed time.